What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about BCH, Bitcoin Cash. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. We're sitting at about 491 today. We got some lightning outside. I left the window open just for that. Let's see. Looking at the daily RSI, I love the daily RSI, you guys. I love the weekly RSI as well. The 4-hour RSI does look like it wants to go down a little bit. I don't think we're absolved of that just yet. But we didn't move down over the last 24 hours like I expected we would. I mean, we had a red day yesterday, I suppose, but it wasn't the day I was looking for. Based on the 4-hour, you know what though? Actually, thinking about this now a little bit more, we have been crowding the 50, haven't we? Like we should have. I think we should have had our move down already. I suppose we still could. It doesn't look too bad now, but if we move up, if we over today, we don't move too much lower, we really could see some price movement to the upside. That those lower prices down at about 460, 470, 450, I think those could be absolved. We could let those go if we can hang around these areas and not drop too much lower over the next day. Today would be crucial for that. If not, it's really not that big of a deal. So what, we go a little bit lower, we form a higher low, down to this area right down here. I mean, that wouldn't be the end of the world, and then we go up, it's a higher low. We'd break out on that next little attempt on this flat base here, or flat top, whatever. But again, if today we close here or higher, or we just don't move too much lower, especially on these 4-hour candles, I would think it stands to reason that perhaps we do actually break out of this weird little thing to the upside. We actually might, you guys, today or tomorrow. That'd be awesome. But the 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour kind of looks bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie. It's like it's very neutral, but I think if you were to go down, you would have done it already, and you just haven't. So maybe we are about to break out to the upside. It almost looks like it is. I don't know. I don't trust this too much, but we really could actually be going higher instead of going lower. I'd love to see that. But that's basically it. That's all I have to say today. There's nothing really too new, nothing that I want to go over. Same old is still there. I really do think, you guys, that by the end of this cycle, we're going to be at 20K. I think by the end of this year, we genuinely could, by the end of this year, be worth multiple thousands of dollars. I think in June, if we can hit $1,000 in June or July, that would be very helpful in achieving a multi-$1,000 price by the end of this year. If we achieve a multi-$1,000 price by the end of this year, that sets us up for a whole hell of a lot higher prices by the end of the cycle, right? Because the end of the cycle is when we see our most exciting price growth. We've seen some exciting stuff yet, or now, but we haven't seen anything yet, right? We've got the best has yet to come. These are the moves that happen without the monthly RSI well into the overbought zone, right? We peaked into it, but we haven't hung out in there. Let's see how it happens when we're looking like this, right? When we're up in it like this, let's see what happens. And I do think we're going to get there. But anyways, guys, nothing else that I really want to say. I'm sure this chart hasn't really changed. Let's just see. Yeah, we're just moving sideways. It's looking better. Got to say, it's actually looking better. Just don't go lower. We don't want to see you go lower. This actually kind of would agree with BCH potentially moving up instead of moving down over the coming days, but we'll see. Yeah, we will see. Hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. If we can get above and close above $500, that would be encouraging to see things. Again, it's not a big deal that we close below 500, but I think it will be a big deal if we can manage to close back above it. Until then, we really do run to go down to this line, which is totally healthy, and then make our way up to about $570 to $600. That is the next target area, and we could absolutely go higher than that. So take care. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.